In this tutorial, I will take you through the step-by-step process of installing PUBG Mobile on your Windows PC. To bring Android games to your PC, you will need to use emulators like BlueStacks and GameLoop. And for this video, I will be demonstrating the installation process using GameLoop. GameLoop is developed by Tencent and is the official emulator for Tencent Games series like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. Let's get started. To install PUBG Mobile on your Windows PC, first open your web browser and navigate to gameloop.com. On the website, find the download button positioned at the upper right-hand corner of the screen and give it a click. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to initiate the GameLoop emulator installation on your PC. Click the Install button on the on-screen wizard to commence the download and installation process of the GameLoop emulator. After GameLoop is successfully installed, click the Start button to launch the GameLoop emulator for the first time. Inside the GameLoop window, use the search feature to locate PUBG Mobile. When you locate it in the search results, click on Install. The downloading of the game will depend on the speed of your network, so please be patient and allow it to complete. Once the installation is finished, the game will auto-launch for the first time. Now you will be asked to select the resolution of the game. Choose the resolution that best suits your preferences and click Save. To apply these changes, the game will prompt you to restart it. Click Restart Now. That's all there is to it. You are now ready to enjoy playing PUBG Mobile on your Windows PC using GameLoop. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.